Hi everyone, and welcome to my short presentation about the value chain generator. I'm Andreas Fischer and I'm part of the team in Fribourg who has been developing this tool over the past years, and today I will give you a quick insight about the current state and also about the next steps that we are planning with this algorithm. First, as a brief recap, what are you working with here? From the cluster mapping, we have already an idea what kind of NAICE codes are interesting in the Alpine region, what kind of value chains to follow. And what we do for the value chain generator is first getting to know the actors. That is, we know them by name, address, what kind of company it is, main categories, and also several NAICE codes if an actor is active in different business cases within the region. The next layer of our knowledge base is called descriptors, and here we have our input process output model that describes different activities of an actor in more detail. It's not available for all the actors. This is also why this layer is a bit smaller than in this pyramid illustration. And finally, what we hope to find are many biolinks, that is, links between two specific actors, typically in this setup here, where actor A provides output to actor B. The generator itself tries to scale up in the knowledge base. So if we have a biolink from A to B, either from our previous knowledge or because we discovered it in the tool, then we can go with the algorithm into the database and find alternatives for A, alternatives for B, and this nicely scales up, gives us plenty of new possible links in this region between all of these actors. In order to make it happen in the project, we have developed a web application for that. You can see here the main menu. The cluster mapping was done also in this application, then the description of the actors, and finally a tool that helps to find biolinks. One of these elements is brand new. It's called the Biolink Explorer. It's actually the first step where we select one of our actors and then ask the system what other actor could provide me with the inputs for this particular activity and who could use my outputs. If I found something interesting, I have one biolink, I start with that, and afterwards I can use the tool for finding alternatives both for the actor A and the actor B. This can be done by searching for actors that have the same category, the same NAICE codes, and so on. And in particular, I can also search by keyword. This is a functionality that we have recently extended so that it also has a look at the website of the actor to find certain keywords present in that description. Once we have found a couple of biolinks that are interesting, what we can focus on those that have the best success chance. These are typically business cases where both of the actors know the market and the product, ideally already work together, and then we can follow up those leads, protocol in the system what kind of actions have been undertaken to bring the two actors together, and if needed, the tool also provides the measures to make this confidential. So in this confidential setup, the project partner does not share with the other project partners what is going on with that lead. Fortunately, many of the project partners could make openly available the biolinks they're working on, and these are often inspiration then also for the other partners and may also help to find interregional biolinks. At the moment, we already have quite a solid knowledge base accumulated. We have a bit less than 2,000 actors, more than 600 descriptors, and over 200 potential biolinks that was entered by the partners and also supported by the value chain generator to find more biolinks. The goal now would be to select the most promising ones in the different categories and implement some of these biolink ideas in reality. The value chain generator at this point can be considered as stable. It has already been used, as I said, in the past month to create biolinks. However, there is still quite a bit of to-dos on our end, wishes from the partners of changes to facilitate the work with the web application. So we are continuing in the next month to do these modifications and improve the current system. Beyond that, we also think it's at the right time to start implementing some machine learning ideas in the form of a master thesis that we hope to start at our institute in autumn. And in this thesis, we would like to make some first steps towards AI. We would take the current knowledge base as our learning samples. So this is, if you want, human annotated data of high quality. And based on these learning samples, we would also go on the internet and other places where we can find publicly available data about enterprises, and then hope by using these tools also from natural language processing on text, for example, the text that is available on the website, to automatically identify actors, descriptors, and biolinks, and insert them back into the system, that is, to automatically extend our knowledge base. To what degree this will be possible, we do not know yet. This is really a research topic, but we hope that by the end of the project we will have some first impressions about this potential. That was it. If you have any questions about this part, don't hesitate to contact me via my email address. Happy to discuss, and I can say thank you to all the project partners who have done incredible work using the web application. Thanks for using it and for providing us with good feedback.